How to recover photo and video on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, there is a workaround on how to recover your deleted photos and videos on WhatsApp. So, let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app, then go to settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, go ahead and tap on chats and then tap on chat backup. Now, this is only possible if you have turned on the auto backup, so make sure that you always set your auto backup to daily. Now, if you set it to daily, then every photos, videos, or messages that you send will be backed up. And now to recover it, it won't be possible from this device, but what you can do is you can come back and then scroll down and you can see move chats to Android or transfer chats to iPhone. So if you transfer the devices, then it will appear on that device. So that is how you can recover photos and videos from your WhatsApp. So I hope this solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.